This ambitious initiative of converting Konark to a solar city, launched in 2020 by Centre, aimed to harness the power of sun to illuminate the historic monument while also meeting the energy needs of thousands of tourists and residents of the city in an environmentally friendly manner. Most of the off-grid infrastructure for the targeted installation for 300 kilowatt solar panels in and around Konark are ready. Rooftop solar panels in 12 government institutions, 50 solar street lights, 40 drinking water kiosks and 20 battery operator vehicles are completed. Besides, solar trees, solar charging stations have also been put up. The Assistant Director of Odisha Renewable Energy Development Authority, which is implementing the Konark Solar City project, MACAP said the off-grid infrastructure has been handed over to the Konark Notified Area Council (NAC) for implementation. The scheme, launched with an estimated cost of Rs 25 crore, was with an objective to achieve 100% solarization of Konark Sun Temple and Konark town through installation of grid-connected and off-grid solar projects so that electricity needs of all the households of the town and the temple are fully fulfilled with solar energy. By illuminating the Sun Temple through solar energy, we have reduced the electricity bill of the monument by 50%. By using solar energy, we are not only reducing carbon footprints but also ensuring a sustainable future for this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Senior Conservation Assistant of Archaeological Survey of India ASI at Sun Temple, Konark. The Sun Temple is being illuminated by 30 kilowatt rooftop solar plant installed above the Konark bus stand about 2 kilometers away from the temple. The shift of solar energy in the town needs lots of coordination between the line department. A 6-lane road that is under construction and getting delayed. Similarly, the solar paneling of kiosks and vending zones is not yet completed. So it is taking some more time to declare Konark town as a solar city. Apart from the monument, the NAC office, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Konark High School, Archaeological Museum and several other government offices are meeting their energy needs from solar power. We feel really proud that the energy needs of our school are met through solar energy. As we know the harmful effect of fossil fuel on the environment, renewable energy is the only option left for a sustainable future. Konark town has set an example and paved the way for the other urban centers to follow. A class 8 student of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Konark. The school has been generating 80 megawatt power through a rooftop solar plant. However, the state government is yet to set up an off-grid solar plant for addressing the energy needs of the residents of the town. To meet the energy needs of the State Energy Department has signed a MOU with a private company to set up a 10 megawatt solar plant at Junagadh in Kalahandi, nearly 400 kilometers away from Konark.